Hello students, myself Dharmendra Yadav of Mount Olivet School is going to explain you first chapter of Beehive book of ninth class, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Here we will know how the future school will be there. There will be computer teaching and teaching and learning process will be through computer. There will be virtual class, there will be robotic teacher and there will be ebooks. Now let's start this chapter with an introduction. It is a very light story. It is set in the future. It will make all of you love school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school. The setting of the story is in future when perhaps there will be no school, no books. Now how those students will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, you all had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie, who comes to know that their ancestor used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that school life is very good and we are fortunate that we have real school where we go, meet friends and get a chance to study together. So in introduction we knew what is story about. It is story about a future school and how the future students will miss the school, real teacher, real book and many other things. Now let's know the theme of the story. The present story unfolds the picture of the future school where mechanical teacher will teach the students. Book will be meaningless. Actually, the students will learn all from the e-books and class tests will be conducted online. The internet will have wide application and subject like history and geography will be no more difficult for the students. They will get hard books only kept in library. Of course, this future school will be quite different from present school and old school. So here in the theme of the story we know that how the old school will be different from the new schools or the schools which will be in future. There will be no books, no regular teacher, there will be mechanical teacher and e-books and teaching and learning will be through the computer only. Now as we have studied that there will be teaching and learning through computers, virtual classroom will be there, robotic teacher and e-books will be there. So the story starts with two main characters of the story. First Margie and second Tommy. Now Tommy found a real book. Tommy found this book in his attic which was below roof where that place we call as a storeroom. And here this Margie made an entry in her diary that Tommy found a real book on 17 May 2157 and this book is about the old kind of schools and this Margie had known about this older kind of school from her grandfather that when he was a child his grandfather used to go to school and the books were printed on paper and there was a real book. Now this story is an imagination and is set on future, so at this time the books does not exist and the books are on TV screen where they used to study and they had a million of books in that. That's why the Tommy says that this time's books are more far better than the old kind of school because all kind of schools books can be studied and thrown away, but the future generation book which are stored in computer can be read anytime, any place. Now next is Margie hated for the school. Why did Margie hated the school? As Margie was 11-year-old girl, she hated the school because she was unable to have good progress in geography sector because it was little bit geared up according to her age, and she was not performing well and performing bad and worst in the test paper. So her mother, Mrs. John, called the county inspector to have a look on the mechanical teacher. Here county inspector is a software engineer who looks after the computer. He came and observed the computer and the mechanical teacher. He found that it was little bit geared up according to age of the Margie. He set up all the things and make lower speed as the age of Margie, and problem was solved within an hour. So here let's read this. He says that book is about school, but Margie hates the school and she does not understand why someone would write about it. She is having problem in learning geography from mechanical teacher. It is black, large, has a screen on it. It teaches students, give them exercises, ask them questions. It works from in a special room in her own house. It can also calculate marks in no time. Margie hates the slot where she has to insert homework and test paper. Once the geography sector of mechanical teacher was too quick, she got worse marks than before. He was nice to Margie. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be taken away for a longer time like Tommy's. His history sector was blanked out completely. So here, why did Margie hate the school? There are many reasons. First, that when Tommy told that this book is about school, she thought why someone would write about the school. Second, that she was not performing well in geography sector because it was too quick according to her age. And third, she hated the slot where she has to put homework and test paper, and this mechanical teacher used to give marks in no time. So due to this all, she hated the school. And when she was not performing, Mrs. John calls the county inspector to rebuild the computer and solve out the problem. And he came and solved the problem in 1 hour. But the Margie was thinking that the county inspector will take her mechanical teacher for a longer time, but it was not within 1 hour. It was all the problem was solved. Earlier, the county inspector of this Tommy's has taken for a longer time, and she was thinking same because the Tommy's history sector was completely blackened. Now, what was Tommy's opinion about the book? The Tommy, who were not aware about the old school or real books, he found that is not about their type of school. Actually, it is a school of centuries ago. He finds the students in the past as a real teacher who taught boys and girls. He gave homework, asked questions. They had a special building. All the children went to school, all learned the same thing. So the opinion about the book of Tommy was that this school was of all kinds of school where there was a special building, students of same age same group were used to go to school, and there was a physical teacher who used to teach them same thing to all the students because they were of same ages. So this was in this paragraph. Now last, what was Margie's opinion about the old school? First, Margie was unable to understand that how a real teacher man could be a teacher and how he can teach the students same thing. But when she read she read the book, she knew that teacher who comes to school, he used to teach the students of same age. That's why same thing is taught to each and every. Her mother also told that every student has a teacher according to his age. Next, now it was the time to go both of to school, which was beside their bedroom, and where the mechanical teacher was waiting for them. When she went there, she found mechanical teacher waiting for her, but this Margie was lost in her thought that how the old school would be, how the students used to go together, come together, learn, play, laugh, and each and everybody help each other in completing their homework. These all the things she was thinking, and she thought what the fun they had in the past school. So story ends here. Thank you.